After years filled with mystery, rumors, and speculation, the James Webb Space Telescope has finally unveiled something that could fundamentally change our perception of the universe. The first real image of Betelgeuse, the massive star many believed was on the brink of explosion. What the James Webb Telescope captured, however, exceeded all expectations. Are we witnessing a never-before-seen cosmic phenomenon, or is Betelgeuse hiding something even more extraordinary? Betelgeuse, one of the most enigmatic and colossal stars in the night sky, has long captivated scientists and curious minds alike. Its immense brightness and staggering size, about 1,400 times larger than our Sun, have inspired astronomers for centuries to monitor it with both suspicion and anticipation. Located in the Orion constellation, this red supergiant began to behave strangely in recent years, prompting widespread speculation. The star started losing brightness, which led many to believe it was nearing a supernova, a cataclysmic explosion marking the death of a star. A few years ago, astronomers were stunned to observe Betelgeuse fading rapidly. For a star typically so brilliant, the dimming sparked a tidal wave of theories. Was it dying? Were we about to witness a rare supernova event within our own galaxy? Anticipation soared. The drastic fluctuations in its luminosity convinced many that the end might be imminent. A visible supernova from Earth would be an unprecedented event in modern astronomy, visible for weeks and lighting up the sky like a second sun. That year was marked by uncertainty, as data poured in and theories of Betelgeuse's impending explosion gained popularity. Yet despite the fading, the explosion never came. Then entered the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human engineering, crafted to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. With its golden mirror spanning over 6 meters, the telescope was designed not only to observe distant galaxies, but also to solve mysteries within our own cosmic neighborhood. Betelgeuse became a top target. Could Webb's cutting-edge instruments reveal what was truly happening at the heart of this stellar giant? Were we about to observe a phenomenon that defied the known laws of astrophysics? The wait for definitive answers was agonizing for scientists. But at last, the image arrived. The first high-resolution real photograph of Betelgeuse taken by the James Webb Telescope. It was more than just stunning. It offered a new perspective on this red supergiant. Yet, it was not what scientists had expected. Through Webb's powerful infrared lens, Betelgeuse appeared not only massive, but showed a strange, complex pattern on its surface. What had previously only been hypothesized was now visible. The data revealed that Betelgeuse was far from a dying, dimming star. Instead, it was alive with activity. Hotspots and intensely bright regions speckled its surface, indicating dynamic and possibly violent behavior. Surrounding the star was a vast cloud of gas and dust, material Betelgeuse had expelled itself. These observations suggested that massive stellar eruptions were occurring on its surface, making the star's appearance turbulent and constantly changing. This might explain the fluctuations in brightness that had puzzled scientists for years. In Webb's detailed imagery, Betelgeuse's surface emerged as a cosmic battlefield. Enormous regions would brighten and fade over just weeks, a highly unusual trait for a star of its magnitude. These outbursts, known as stellar mass ejections, hurl material into space, forming stunning clouds of gas around the star. The erratic and intense behavior observed has ignited multiple theories. Some scientists believe Betelgeuse is nearing the final stages of its life, while others think it might be stabilizing. What's clear, however, is that Betelgeuse is behaving in ways no one has ever seen from a star of its kind. This unprecedented view of Betelgeuse challenges our understanding of stellar life cycles. While astronomers have long studied how giant stars die, the new data suggest we may have underestimated the complexity of this terminal phase. Webb's image does more than just capture a dying star. It forces us to reflect on cosmic timescales and our own place within the universe. If Betelgeuse were to explode in a supernova, the spectacle would be visible from Earth for weeks, creating a second sun in our skies, albeit with no danger to our planet. Such an explosion would not only dazzle the world but transform our comprehension of the cosmos. The sheer energy released would offer scientists an unparalleled opportunity to study a supernova in real time. For researchers, witnessing Betelgeuse explode would be like attending a masterclass in astrophysics. It would reveal how elements, critical to life like iron and oxygen, are forged and scattered across the galaxy, eventually forming new planets and possibly life. Webb's revelations don't stop at Betelgeuse. The telescope's broader mission is just beginning. From exploring distant galaxies to identifying potentially habitable exoplanets, the James Webb Space Telescope is poised to reshape our understanding of the universe. The image of Betelgeuse is just one among many forthcoming discoveries. Each new observation from Webb opens the door to answers about how stars form, evolve, and die, and how life-sustaining elements are spread throughout the cosmos. In fact, the very oxygen in our lungs and carbon in our bodies was born in the core of a giant star like Betelgeuse. Watching such a star in its final act is like watching the very process that led to life itself. For astronomers, it's a privilege to study these events, as they remind us that we are intricately connected to the universe in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Every dying star like Betelgeuse creates the conditions for new systems, perhaps even new worlds and life forms to emerge. The James Webb Telescope has not only given us a groundbreaking view of Betelgeuse, but it also marks the start of a new era in space exploration. As it continues to observe everything from star formation to the potential signs of life on other planets, Webb promises to unlock the universe's most profound secrets. It is a window into both the ancient past and the vast future of the cosmos. Every image and every piece of data collected by this remarkable instrument has the potential to redefine what we think we know, and perhaps one day answer the most timeless question of all: are we alone? What do you think of this groundbreaking new image of Betelgeuse captured by the James Webb Telescope? Do you believe we're on the verge of witnessing a spectacular supernova? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you'd like to stay updated on the incredible discoveries Webb continues to unveil, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.